I'm Michael DeSanto, and the host of this edition of Champion Chats, where we dive into proven success stories from around the fluid analysis industry. Today, we're joined by Brett Burgess from Kokosing Construction Company. Welcome, Brett.
Morning, Michael.
Thank you for joining us. We've had a chance to work a lot together over the years. I really kind of want to share some of the stories that I've heard from you and your colleagues. And really, when Kokosing has been very effective involving some of its team members in the fluid analysis process. And that's one of the things, even when I visited your plant, really got to understand and learn a lot about. How have you been able to leverage those levels of involvement, and how you got your team more involved to demonstrate the value of fluid analysis?
Okay.
Well, we get as many people involved as we can. You know, more eyes on anything helps determine and look at the analysis of what's going on. In the past, we've had equipment managers see something out of the ordinary and mention it to our experts that look at samples every day. And we found things and taken it to our oil supplier, and they said, yeah, there is actually an issue there, and other people just don't watch their samples close enough to find these issues, and Kokosing happened to.
What are some of the most beneficial results Kokosing has experienced from utilizing fluid analysis today?
Well, that's something even real recent here for Kokosing. We've always had problems with some haul trucks, and they've always had some issues with the drive line. So they were looking at samples, and they were just never completely all right, but just a little bit off. So we ordered some additional testing, and they showed there were problems. So we started scheduling these into our shop. They're probably about 2/3 through their life, and they didn't think they'd make it another season. So we got the repairs in. These trucks, if they would have let them go to failure, that would have been $150,000 per truck for the repair, and there were 6 of them. And we're getting the repairs done now for $30,000. So there's the savings right there just from watching your samples.
Great example right there of how you're utilizing information and recommendations from the report. Are there other examples that you could share about how you're utilizing that information that you receive from a fluid analysis report?
Well, we do a lot of our testing. It's kind of just the basic testing, but from what the lab results come back with, their recommendations, and our experts here looking at them, a lot of times we order additional testing to find out more. And that is quite helpful in finding out problems and getting ahead of the issues.
And that's really important right there. Can you explain also how you've been able to utilize information from fluid analysis to better achieve greater uptime and more uptime within your program?
Well, sure I can. We use the fluid analysis to get warranty on our samples. We've sent stuff in while machines are under warranty. They look at the samples, something looks off. We turn it in and let the OEM fix it, or their dealer. And it's kept our machines running in good shape, a lot of uptime.
And now let me toot Kokosing's horn here a little bit for you. I mean, back in 2017, you were one of the recipients of the Program Champion Awards here at Polaris Laboratories at our Customer Summit. Kind of based on that experience and how you continue to grow your program over time, can you share one recommendation of how other maintenance professionals can manage a better and more successful fluid analysis program today?
Well, I'd say the first thing is commit to program. Get in there, get your sampling going. That's one thing that we've had here is our management commitment to it. You know, you're sending in samples. They know what's going on. They're waiting for results. If you don't have management buy-in, I don't know how you can do it, but I don't know why they wouldn't. The savings are there.
That's great information today, Brett. We really appreciate you joining us on Champion Chats. Thank you for your time today.
Thank you, Michael.
And for all of you that are watching Champion Chats today, to learn more about how we help companies save more equipment and increase uptime, visit us at polarislabs.com. See you soon.